again. Welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we starting with today? Whoopee, Yahoo, and hurrah? They're all exclamations. What would the fourth one be? Easy? Maybe? I mean, it's something that you might shout, but I don't think it quite works. That is 2 letters, QT, EZ, IOU, and FX. I mean, that last one is tenuous, but if this is going to be a group, I think it's got to be that one, hasn't it? Yeah, words abbreviated with letters as homophones. Fair enough. Oh, I suppose because it is called FX, as in like sound effects. Anyway, what else? A whoopee cushion, a pin cushion. A couch cushion? Is that a thing? A belt cushion? A frame cushion? A picture frame? A razor cushion? Not quite sure. And if it is going to be whoopee in that group, then it can't be whoopee in the exclamations group. But we have now lost easy, so I really don't know what the fourth one of the exclamations would be. Put a pin in it. Belt up. Nope, I can't see 2 other phrases that you might tell somebody to be quiet. A phrase. I don't know how. There's some very weird words in the grid. How does hot dog and goggles link to anything else? Beer goggles? Razor blade? Polar Express? Window frame? Huh. Last hurrah. I mean, I can think of so many options, but nothing that links more than about 1 or 2 of these words together. What is going on? It just feels like it's got to be cushions, because that's the only thing I've got that's got a group of 3. A razor cushion, a hot dog cushion, frame cushion, hurrah cushion, express cushion, phrase cushion. It's got to be belt or razor, hasn't it? Let's try belt. That's not even one away. Okay. I thought that might happen, which is why I was willing to try it, because at least now I know that it's not going to be those 3 cushions. Couch potato. What else? I've got no idea. Is there a word one? Apart from exclamations? As in, does some of these words end with something? Ouch. I can't see how that's going to work. Hurrah starts with her. But there isn't things that start with him or it. Oh dear. Belt. Belt feels like it goes with express, but I can't think how. It just feels like there's a word that links them. I just don't know what it is. Conveyor belt. Conveyor hot dog. No, that's not going to work. I've got no idea what is going on. If it's these 3. Oh, it's probably hot dog, isn't it? You might say that's a very Americanism, but I think this is going to be right. Yeah, quaint expressions of excitement. Ned Flanders says it in The Simpsons, doesn't he? Hot diggity dog. Anyway, at least that solved one mystery. What about the last 2? Goggles. Oh, pin and frame. I mean, they're both bowling related words, but there aren't 2 others. Phrase book. Beard goggles. Swimming goggles. Huh. I don't know. But then I didn't know the yellow group, so there's still hope. Huh. Express. Express. What's Express gonna go with? Razor blade. Phrase. How does phrase link to anything? Phrase book. I don't know. It could be these three, somehow connected to bowling. Express or couch? Let's just guess Express. Are we one away? We're not even one away. Okay. So it's two of those and two of the others. I'm not sure that helps me much. Oh, you can frame express. Yeah, these four are all ways of saying something. You can phrase it in a certain way. You can express it in a certain way. You can frame it or couch it. Yeah, that's a group. They all mean to convey. And these are all safety, aren't they? Safety goggles, safety pins, safety belt, safety razor. Hey, oh, wow. So, we actually worked out what all the groups were in the end. I didn't even need to guess. Couple of slight mistakes, but I think that was a bit of a tricky one, so I'm not going to beat myself up. But maybe you whisked through it. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.